What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best windshield washer fluid on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Vigorder. 1 piece makes 1 gallon windshield washer fluid. Vigorder windshield washer tablets offer a practical and affordable way to keep car windows clean throughout the year. Each tablet is made to dissolve fully in water, forming 1 gallon of windshield washer fluid. This makes them an effective alternative to traditional liquid cleaners while saving storage space and money. With each tablet individually packed, they are easy to carry and store, making them ideal for both home and travel use. Designed with an eco-friendly approach, the tablets help reduce environmental impact without compromising cleaning strength. The fresh scent adds a pleasant touch while the solution cleans away dust, marks, and unseen grime from windshields. It also helps reduce the friction of wiper blades, supporting smoother movement and better visibility while driving. These tablets work best in temperatures above -5 degrees Celsius but can also be combined with antifreeze or methanol during colder seasons. This makes them suitable for all-year use in different weather conditions. The liquid produced from the dissolved tablets will not block the washer system, maintaining clear and smooth operation of the fluid outlets. Using these tablets is simple. One can either drop a tablet into the tank and add water or mix it in a container before pouring the solution into the tank. This flexibility makes it convenient for users with different preferences. Although made for car windows, the cleaning solution can be used in kitchens, on tiles, mirrors, windows, and even toilets. This all-around cleaner adds value to every household or garage, offering one solution for many surfaces. With this approach, users can clean more than just windshields while enjoying a cost-effective and easy-to-use cleaning tool. In our list, the number 4 product name is YHFGTTIO Car Windshield Washer Tablets. YHFGTTIO windshield washer tablets provide a practical cleaning solution for car owners. One tablet can be mixed with 3 to 4 liters of water to create a powerful liquid used to clean automotive glass and other vehicle surfaces. These tablets are compact and lightweight, making them easy to store in any car without taking up much space. When dissolved properly, they create a smooth solution that does not leave residue or block washer nozzles. These small cleaning tablets are suitable for both inside and outside vehicle use. They are safe for windows, dashboards, convertible tops, and painted surfaces. Their cleaning power helps remove tough marks like bird droppings, tree sap, or road grime. Each tablet provides enough solution for regular maintenance, helping drivers maintain visibility and safety during trips. The product is designed to be portable. It is useful for daily driving or longer road travel because of its easy storage and fast preparation. Just drop a tablet into the water tank, add clean water, wait for 20 minutes, or dissolve it in a container before pouring into the washer tank. This allows the liquid to activate fully and prevents clogging or poor spray performance. These eco-friendly tablets can be used beyond the car. They clean mirrors, tiles, kitchen counters, and household windows. This flexibility allows one product to handle several cleaning tasks without needing separate solutions for each surface. The fresh scent adds a pleasant smell to the cleaned area. Compared to standard windshield fluids, These cleaning tablets are cost-saving and space-saving. With the ability to clean both vehicles and home surfaces, users benefit from less waste and better value over time. Designed for multiple environments, these tablets offer consistent results while keeping both the car and home clean and fresh. In our list, the number 3 product name is ULTRAROSO Windshield Washer Fluid. ULTRAROSO UltraVision Windshield Washer Fluid is made for warm weather driving and helps keep windows clean during daily travel. This 1-gallon liquid blend is unscented and made to improve visibility in warmer conditions where road dust and debris often collect on glass. It helps remove everyday dirt and buildup from car windows with ease. The formula is created to clear windshields without leaving streaks or marks behind. It helps remove bug splatter, road film, and other common grime that can gather after long drives. This cleaner supports safer travel by improving the view through the windshield. It works well with different types of vehicles including trucks, sport utility vehicles, recreational vans, and cars. This washer fluid performs best in temperatures above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It is not designed for icy or freezing conditions. Instead, it is ideal for spring, summer, and early fall driving when roads are dry but dusty. Its blend also supports smooth wiping by working with most modern windshield systems. It can be used on various surfaces like glass, plastic, and plexiglass without causing damage. This means users can fill their washer tanks with confidence, knowing the liquid works with most materials used in modern vehicles. It does not include any artificial fragrance, making it comfortable for drivers who prefer unscented products. For drivers looking to reduce road film and clear away stubborn marks like bird residue, this cleaner offers a reliable solution. It keeps glass surfaces clear and supports cleaner wiper blade movement while driving through rain or dry conditions. The liquid creates a smooth finish that reduces glare and keeps the driver's view sharp. By using UltraVision washer fluid during warmer months, vehicle owners can maintain clear windows and enhance overall road safety through improved windshield care. In our list, the number 2 product name is Dumost Windshield Washer Fluid. Dumost Windshield Washer Fluid Concentrate is designed to clean vehicle glass without leaving color marks. This 8-ounce liquid makes up to 32 gallons of usable solution when mixed properly with water. It helps remove dirt from windshields while maintaining a clear view for safer driving. The mixture supports regular use in different driving situations and can be added to washer tanks when extra cleaning power is needed. The cleaner works well throughout the year, making it suitable for hot or cold weather. It is helpful in keeping car glass free from grime, insect marks, and other buildup. By using this concentrated blend, drivers can extend the use of a small bottle across many refills, reducing storage needs in garages or vehicles. This cleaner does not contain scent, which makes it easier to use for people who are sensitive to strong smells. The formula has been created to work on glass without damaging the surrounding materials. It cleans without leaving stains, which helps keep car hoods and trim clean after spraying. To prepare the washer liquid, users can measure the fluid using the built-in section on the bottle and mix it with clean water. This keeps the process simple and avoids wasting extra concentrate. The result is a strong cleaner that can be stored until needed. This windshield product is suitable for many types of vehicles, including passenger cars and trucks. It supports everyday maintenance by helping drivers keep their windows clean and their view clear. With just one small bottle producing a large supply of cleaner, this option offers long-term use without frequent replacement. The formula also helps improve the movement of wiper blades by keeping surfaces smooth and free from blockage, supporting steady performance in changing conditions. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chryum Car Windshield Washer Fluid. Chryum washer fluid tablets are compact cleaning rounds made to treat glass surfaces with ease. Each piece dissolves in water and creates a cleaning solution for removing common marks found on windows, windshields, and mirrors. These tablets are suitable for keeping car glass clear while also helping with household cleaning on tile and kitchen surfaces. Each round tablet works by dissolving fully in clean water without leaving behind grit or particles. The solution is then poured into the car's fluid container or used directly on other glass areas. These small units come in separate packs, making them easy to carry and store for later use in the garage, kitchen, or travel bag. The product helps reduce marks such as bird residue, light oil, dry dirt, and dust that build up over time. It also works to soften wiper blades, which helps reduce unwanted noise and supports smoother wiping during rainy or dry conditions. This helps drivers keep their windows clean while improving visibility. Each tablet is small in size, measuring 15 mm by 2 mm, and is packed individually for long-term storage without moisture damage. When ready to use, place a single tablet into the tank, add water, and wait around 15 minutes before running the wipers. The process does not require extra tools or special equipment. These cleaning rounds work not only for automotive glass but also for indoor areas like bathroom floors or household mirrors. That allows users to get multiple uses from one cleaning option, reducing the need for separate products for different spaces. Whether driving or cleaning around the home, these washer fluid tablets provide support for clean glass and clearer vision without taking up much room or adding extra weight.